everyone, it's Alessandro Bruxel from Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some tuile cookies. I'm going to be teaching you a basic batter for tuiles, but I'm also going to be making some with almond, pistachio, and also some lavender tuiles. But once you get that basic recipe down, you really can get creative with different flavors. Tuiles are great on their own, but they also make for a beautiful garnish for desserts. I even like using them as a garnish for salads that include fruits, for example. Once the cookies are done, the best way to store them is in an airtight container. They are sensitive to humidity, so whenever serving them with any wet ingredients, compose your dish first and add them at the end. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. To start, separate 3 egg whites. The yolks can be saved for a different recipe. Then add 2/3 cup of granulated sugar. Mix it well to dissolve the sugar without beating too much air into the egg whites. Next, add a 1/4 cup, half a stick of melted and cooled butter, a pinch of salt, and half cup of all-purpose flour, and then mix it well to combine. This is the basic batter for the tuiles. You can also add different flavorings if you wish, like vanilla extract, ginger, cinnamon, almond extract, citrus, curry powder, matcha, cocoa powder. You can really get creative with it. Next, line a few baking sheets with non-stick mats and spread a thin layer of the batter into whatever shape you'd like your tuiles to have. If using stencils, you can refrigerate the batter first for 1 to 2 hours so it has a firmer texture and holds its shape. I like to make my tuiles more free-form, so in that case there is no need to refrigerate the batter. For this first batch, I'm adding some sliced almonds and chopped pistachios to some of the tuiles. Bake the tuiles in a preheated oven at 350 Fahrenheit, 176 Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes. While the first batch bakes, prepare a second one. You need to work fast to shape the tuiles once they come out of the oven, so don't make too many at a time. This time, I'm making a few different shapes and adding some lavender flowers. Watch the tuiles while they bake. They're done when the outer edges start to get brown. Once the tuiles are out of the oven, work fast to shape them. You'll have a few minutes before they crisp up. The tuiles can be shaped with a rolling pin or bottle for its traditional curved shape. You can also shape them using a cone mold or wrapping them around a wooden spoon, but they can also be left flat if you wish. And in that case, you can bake more at a time. I am also making a few tuiles, adding some pansy edible flowers with the lavender. And here's an example of a tuile wrapped around a wooden spoon. And the tuiles are ready. Please continue to watch to see how I'm serving mine today. This is also a good time to please press the like button below and subscribe to the channel. Today I'm serving the tuiles with a roasted beet salad. Starting with some yogurt mix with lavender honey, some beet powder, roasted red and yellow beets, some blood oranges, pistachios, some lavender flowers, and some pansies. And then I'm finishing it up with 1 pistachio twill and 1 lavender twill. I hope you have enjoyed the recipe, and if you did, please don't forget to press the like button below, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.